Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to unbind with FC01, which we promoted in the last video. Very powerful unbinding with one click, no missing bugs. I'm just going to show you the operation video. I'm going to unbind access max. The face ID is failed. I'm going to unbind and bind with the new flags. It's failed. We're going to unbind with FC01, connect the FC01 with the platform. Okay, already connected. Just connect the device and just one click on 3D assembly. Just one click and the application will install quickly. Look, yeah, it's done. Now go to the setting, general, device management, and allow